Derailments and locomotive problems are frustrating for any model railroader, regardless of whether you are new to the hobby or an old hand. However, in my opinion, fixing these problems can be both challenging and fun. If you've been involved in the hobby for some time, you'll know there are lots of ways to minimize problems. That way you can spend more time actually operating your trains and waste less time fixing things. So, let's look at some do's and don'ts. Perhaps my best advice would be to avoid buying a cheap locomotive. When you think about it, a loco has moving parts that can wear out, especially when your loco's working hard pulling long trains around the track or up gradients. The type of locos you get with those box train sets are usually mass-produced for a price, so they're not designed to work hard and last forever. A friend of mine had one he had to push to get started, and then it accelerated very fast and flew off the track onto the floor. Ouch! So in my opinion, it's worth spending some extra money to buy a good quality locomotive.